Elegant natural stone rolling pin is designed from 100% marble and accented with sleek and smooth wooden handles, making it so that you can keep your grip hassle-free and spend more time concentrating on the task at hand. Unique marble variations ensure that this rolling pin will be one of a kind. Smooth surface with natural non-stick properties means that this elegant rolling pin is easy to clean and able to keep up with all your cooking and baking needs. Sophisticated design with elegant base includes nylon ball bearings for smooth and continuous rolling. This rolling pin set also comes with a smooth wooden resting base for easy storage. Measurements: this rolling pin and base weighs 4.6 pounds and has dimensions of 2.5 by 18 by 2.5 inches. Top reviews from the United States. Exactly identical to mine. This was bought for a gift. The receiver wanted a rolling pin just like mine. This product met that need. Marble rolling pins are the best for making pies, cookies, etc. I highly recommend this product from this seller.